you likely know the pains of home ownership. There's a lot of joy too, but maintaining that house costs thousands of dollars every year. And of course, with everything costing more right now, that number is up. So we have some ideas to save you some money from Bankrate on your house repairs. First, DIY, do it yourself. If it's an easy fix, try it. Honestly, YouTube has thousands of how-to videos for doing anything in your home. Watch a few, see if it's something you can do safely and efficiently on your own and not end up costing yourself more money in the long run. Second, hire a qualified professional. A lot of large companies that handle plumbing or electricity are more expensive, but paying a little more might be worth it in the long run. A contractor or a company with positive reviews or a strong friend recommendation is a must. Third, keep up with routine maintenance. Some things you can do: touch up exterior paint on your home, seal the cracks outside and in, clean your gutters, change your air filters, make sure those smoke alarm batteries are working. This will help hopefully prevent a large emergency repair down the road. And lastly, save for the worst. Some financial websites recommend saving $1 per square foot per year. Other sites say to save 1% of your home's estimated value, so you're not taken off guard when an emergency repair happens. Also, pick and choose what you fix. If it's cosmetic, you can hold off. If it's a necessity like a refrigerator or something like that, you need to prioritize that purchase instead of, redoing your kitchen. Although I really want to redo my kitchen. Just kidding. Here's a check on the roads.